Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a photo mode missing on TikTok. So guys, if you have this type of problem that photo mode is not showing on your TikTok account, so guys, how can you get this? So guys, you can easily get this. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, when I am going to open my TikTok, and as you can see here, simply you need to click on your main profile, and guys, when you have login your account, then guys you will missing this option. So guys, simply you can get back. First of all, you need to go back. So guys, the main reason of this photo mode missing is update problem. If you are using any oldest version of TikTok, then guys you will face many problems. So guys, simply you need to update your TikTok. Simply you need to open your Play Store here, and guys, simply you need to search here TikTok. And guys, after searching your TikTok, you need to update your app from here. And guys, after doing update, you will find many of improvements on your app. And guys, after doing this, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to open your TikTok app here. You need to click on your main profile, and guys click on three lines. As you can see here, simply you need to scroll it below. Here is the option of report a problem. And guys, you need to wait for new page opening. As you can see here, simply you need to wait, page is on loading. So guys, you need to click on account and profile, and guys, after this you need to wait for a few seconds. And guys, here is the option of profile page. Scroll it below, and guys you can select any other option, and guys you need to wait. So guys, simply you need to click on this the option of need more help, and guys, after doing this, you need to wait for more seconds. So guys, as you can see, page is unloading. So guys, here you need to write your problem that you're facing, that is photo mode missing on TikTok. So guys, after writing your problem, you need to upload a screenshot of your problem, and simply you need to submit your problem. And guys, within few hours, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.